Yes, people. So big up all the subscribers, big up all the viewers. And if you haven't subscribed to Jamaica Extra, please subscribe. So recently, I had to live through Hurricane Milton, and it was a frightening experience. Um, the hurricane was really one of those hurricane, man, that it was really I can't even find words for it, but it was really just extreme. When the hurricane hit Florida, because as you know, my base is in Florida. I come from Jamaica. Big up all the Jamaicans, big up all the Caribbean people, big up all the worldwide people. But yeah, come from Jamaica where we have tropical climate, so we live with hurricanes. But one thing with Jamaica, at least where I'm from in Jamaica, they build the houses a lot differently than how they build the houses in Florida, right? Because the Florida house, them, I don't know if they can withstand certain wind speed, but nowadays I guess them build the house a little better now to where them supposed to withstand certain hurricane force winds and them type of thing there. But for tell you the truth, when the hurricane hit, when Milton hit, man, and the breeze are blow on me, I say, wow, like you hear the place shaking up people. I mean, I say, Jaja, please hold it down, hold it down, because we don't really want the roof to go off and, them look flex there, But may I tell you, it was a very frightening experience, and, thank the creator, so me go through it, and, my family, everybody unharmed. I mean, I know so there was people that lose them life, unfortunately, and my heart goes out to them, and we just have to pray and hold it for them. But yeah, the hurricane was definitely one of them things, man. I lose power for about 3 4 days. I think about 4 days I lose power. So I never have no electricity. And as you know, when it come to, mostly foreign, you know, apartment or house, it's run mostly with electricity. Your stove, your washer, dryer, everything pretty much is electricity. So you lose electricity, you don't have fridge, you don't have stove, and it's just like a struggle, because you have to have food, right? You have to be able to cook, you have to be able to take care of your family and take care of yourself. So if you know electricity, you don't know, say it make things just a little bit more difficult to live through. But if you're a survivor, you're a survivor. 'Cause if you're a survivor, you can pretty much survive anything. So, when me I go through all of them thing, people, me have to look on it and say, boy, you have people out there were worse than me. You know what I mean? You have people out there were worse than me because, thankfully the storm, I was able to survive the storm, and it never really do too much damage, do blow down one and two thing and them look of thing they still. But, you know, honestly, it could have been a lot worse, it could have been a lot worse. And I just, like I said, I'm sorry for the people that will lose everything, because which part of me staying in Florida, they just before Milton hit, there was another hurricane called Helen, and Helen did hit and flood out a lot of people, flood out a lot of house, a lot of apartments, a lot of cars. People just get flooded out, and that was rough. Cause if you look on it and say, boy, one hurricane hit a week before, and then the next one hit. It's like back to back hurricane, to tell you the truth. So it was a lot for people to deal with. And, when them things that happen, you just can just hold a firm meditation and just be strong, because I tell you, it was rough. But all in all, make it out. And you don't know, say, you know, it, like me say, it could have been worse, but we just give thanks, say, it never too bad to where, me lose my life or lose anything that, cause at the end of the day, it's worldly possession. You can just lose them thing there, but once you lose your life, you can't get back them something there. You lose someone that's close to you, your family, or your friend, or them thing there. You never can get back them something there, or get back them people there. So, you know, give thanks. But me just did want to share that journey there with Uno. personal story still, cause you don't know, boy, if you live through a storm back in a Jamaica, people, I lived through Gilbert back in the 80s when Hurricane Gilbert did lick. I don't know if you remember, what him name there, Loving Dear, did sing one song named Wa Wild Gilbert. Yeah, man. I mean, I tell you, when Gilbert did lick back in a them time, the man, it was kind of similar because it was frightening, but at the time them did there a Portmore, and it's a Portmore, the house them kind of concrete slab on top concrete. It's like four concrete slab around, and then you have the concrete slab on top. So really, the house can't go blow away unless some bit of door. It can't blow away because we are talking about concrete, and concrete is very heavy to blow away. But yeah, man, when them time did happen back in them time, then me I look up at me and me just hold it with my family, And one thing I remember about Hurricane Gilbert, wow. I remember me I look through the window, people, and I remember see one zinc fly off of somebody's roof, and the zinc just dance, people, and the zinc just go down the walkway, and the zinc just walk down the walkway till the zinc take off like one spaceship, and fly up. Me say when the zinc fly up, people, you swear say one spaceship, man, it's something just take off. Me say I hope that no lick nobody, cause if that lick somebody, man, them chop up. You get me? But yeah, Hurricane Gilbert. Yeah, man, it was a terrible thing back in a them time. But Milton just remind me of so much about Gilbert. Although I was just a little pitney them time. I never even did overstand certain things, but we survive it just like how we survived that one year. But I don't know. I saw the thing go. You have to be strong. Them say the fittest are the fittest will survive, and only the strong survive really, because you can't have a weak mind. If you have a weak mind, tell them, man, you go down. You have to hear them when they blow and see all the breeze a blow, and the breeze up. Hey, breeze a make all the place shaking up people. Me I say, yo, Jaja, don't make your roof gone. Don't make your roof gone. And thankfully, your roof never gone. Your roof stay put. But yeah, I just saw them thing they go. But what wanna feel? Wanna did there Florida? Wanna have family in Florida? That go through this thing here, Milton. I mean, wanna know if wanna hear if no family get any damage, or what is the story? If wanna live in Florida, definitely give your experience. That would be nice to hear other people's experience on that Florida hurricane, because tell you, it was one to talk about. It's definitely one of them hurricane there where probably them are gonna talk about for a good while, because it come back to back with that one there, Ellen. You know, last week one hurricane, then this week another hurricane. Like them thing them me never see before. People, me never see them something there before. Back to back hurricane. But let me know what you think. I mean, leave in the comments in the comment section below, and we can talk about this some more. We can do another video. You don't know, say, I'm home to them thing there. So feel free to just leave a comment. And you don't know, say, me as a youth, me check them comments there, and me will respond, and more time, me will just like your comment them and them thing there. But yeah, man, make we talk about this little bit, alright? Alright, big up on yourself, and make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell so you never miss a post from me. Alright? Big up on yourself, and me will chat to you look more. Look more.